First tonight, the coronavirus has hit Connecticut. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dennis House. First, we have some breaking news just into our newsroom. We got this moments ago. New Haven has postponed its St. Patrick's Day parade scheduled for this weekend because of coronavirus concerns. Now, Hartford has also been recommended to cancel, but no word yet on what that city is going to do. We'll have more on that story in just a moment. But first, only one person has tested positive here for the coronavirus in Connecticut, but slowing the spread of the virus is now the top priority. Governor Lamont is putting a travel ban in effect for state employees and wants to limit large gatherings. Our chief Capitol reporter, Susan Raff, is live tonight at Bristol Hospital, where they are taking more precautions there as well. Susan?
Dennis, so many precautions and a lot of new developments today as Connecticut tries to fight back against the coronavirus. Governor Lamont is urging a travel ban to be put in place for all state employees. UConn, though, has a different set of situation. They may be able to travel with their team, with essential personnel. As for hospitals here in Bristol, next week they're going to start evaluating people for the coronavirus in trailers outside the hospital.
All of our state employees right now, no travel out of state, not necessary. Anybody thinking about coming into state, contractors or otherwise, try and do that by teleconference.
Governor Lamont is cracking down. He's been meeting with health officials around the state. Bristol Hospital is now taking extra precautions to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Starting next week, they'll have 4 trailers to evaluate people who are experiencing flu-like symptoms and those who may have traveled to high-risk areas. They want people to see their doctor first.
And have come up with many protocols about how to safely screen for patients as they present to the ER. Because really the quick identification of those who may become a person under investigation is really critical.
The federal government has also given Connecticut another kit, which provides an additional 600 tests. The travel ban affects all state employees. However, when it comes to intercollegiate sports, UConn teams will travel as planned, but only essential staff will accompany them. Many universities are canceling trips, and at Trinity College, 7 students are being self-isolated after a possible exposure to the virus. While the students have not shown any symptoms or signs, the college is taking every precaution. As for private companies whose employees may have traveled to the identified countries at high risk,
we've encouraged state employees and encouraged private employers to have those people go straight home, self-quarantine for 14 days, ensure that they're well before they come back to work.
So as for that travel ban, that is in place for all state employees. They cannot leave the state for work, and any contractor who's thinking of doing business in the state, Governor Lamont is encouraging teleconferencing. As for the decision to cancel large events like parades, that's up to cities and towns, and Hartford is now grappling with the decision on whether or not to cancel this Saturday's parade. Coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, what people are telling us they are doing and not doing because of the coronavirus. We're live in Bristol. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.